So the majority of you know what is Unlinked, which is an alternative app store. But today I'm going to show you a great alternative or a replacement for Unlinked, which is a different alternative app store which also has loads of amazing applications for movies, TV shows, live TV, live sports, and so on. The whole setup process is pretty easy and will take you just a couple of minutes. And the very first step is you have to get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get it totally for free. Just go to search and start typing downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on downloader right here, and now the results will load. And here is that orange application which you need to get to your device. But then after you've got downloader, it's not over yet, because before actually using it, we need to set it up. To do that, we'll go to settings. So go to the menu on your Fire Stick, click settings, and now we need to go to My Fire TV. The next step is we'll need to turn on the developer options for your device. But now at this step, there is a chance that the developer options are going to be hidden on your Fire Stick device. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it is really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go into installation of unknown apps. Now from here, what you have to do is just locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we head back to a list of applications on the Fire TV Stick. Here we go, and there is Downloader, which we just got. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing, which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they are super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device that you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to the Netherlands right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below this video or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of Nord totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we get back to a list of apps on your device, locate Downloader, and let's open it up. So we open the Downloader, and here at the top there is a search bar. So we enter it, and now we need to enter a link, which is going to be AppLinked. Once again, it's AppLinked dot store. So if that is too fast, then don't worry, just put the video on pause and enter the code correctly. It is really important, otherwise, of course, this link will not work. Once again, it is AppLinked.store, we click next, and now in a couple of moments a web page will open up. So it is loading for us right now. Now from here, you have to click that green download AppLinked button. Click on it, and the download will start in a moment. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then click install, and just give it a moment until the app gets fully installed to your device. After that, don't click open yet, instead it's better to press done, because that way you get an option to delete the installation files. It is really important because by default your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much free space available anyway. Now the next step is we're going back into settings. So we go back to settings, go to My Fire TV, developer options, install unknown apps. Now this time you have to locate AppLinked and turn this option on, because we'll be using AppLinked to get other applications from the web for you. After that, we are going finally back to a list of applications on your device. And here is that alternative app store. Once again, it is called AppLinked. So now I would recommend you to hold down the middle button on your remote. Hold it down and this menu will appear on the right side. Click on Move to Front, and that way AppLinked will always be at the very top of your application list. Therefore, it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Of course, don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online, as well as be anonymous. Once again, if you do not have a VPN yet, you can use my link below this video or in the pinned comment to get 3 months of Nord free of charge. And now let's finally go and open up AppLinked application. So once again, it is an alternative app store, pretty similar to UNLINKED. Click OK right here, and now there's a couple of ways to use this alternative app store. You can either click on public stores right here, let's do it. Now I had to blur out my screen because of YouTube rules, but in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurred. Basically, right here, you get access to all the apps that are available in AppLinked. They are not sorted or filtered by any categories. So if you are not sure what category you're looking for, you can just go to public stores and take a look at all the applications that are available in here. But there's also a different way to use this application. In that case, you have to click the back button on your remote. And then when you scroll down, you'll see different app categories, such as live streaming, movies and TV shows, games, verified apps, sports, as well as utilities. So in these categories, the applications are going to be filtered by different means or categories. So if you are looking for a movie or TV shows applications, you would definitely click on that app category. If you are looking for sports, then you would choose this one. So it is totally up to you how to use this application. You can either go to public stores to see all the apps that are available or browse the apps by categories, which might be a more convenient way to use AppLinked. So if the video was helpful, make sure to hit the like button below this video. It actually helps me a lot. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.